thank you for watching our last video, and also we appreciate all support that we have from you guys. Right now, in less than 1 month, we achieved over than 300,000 US dollars, and this is all because of you. Thank you so much. Right now, we also would like to show more functions of the UL1. Last time we recorded a video showing how to fix the UL1 in less than 2 minutes, and right now here we can see some functions. So we have the blue colors, this means standby. We have the green colors, that means I registered my fingerprint and was accepted by the UL1. And if I use a non-registered fingerprint, I will have the red color. So for now, that's it, and we appreciate once more your attention and your time. Bye bye.